Alright, we are here on Captiva Island. What did you call this? Did you call this Red Pass?
Redfish Pass.
We are at Redfish Pass. Redfish Pass. So Robert can fish, and I threw a little shell. It's a nice little shell line here. Ooh, there's an oyster. I don't know why I keep picking these up, but I do. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in August. It's a bird after. My bird is still right there, hanging out, watching the fishermen. Or he'll swoop in and steal it. Possibility. Didn't that happen to your dad? Birds. I've told this story on my channel before. Robert's dad was quite the fisherman. And where was it? Was it here in Captiva? It was here in Captiva, fishing off the dock. Caught a fish, a pelican swooped in, latched onto his arm because he wanted that fish. Robert's dad is shaking his arm, trying to get the pelican. I swallowed the fish. His dad won. The pelican flew off. But he ended up with lots of little cuts on his. Did you save it? You got it. Lots of little cuts on his arm from that pelican experience. So, yeah. I don't know how, but this palm tree. Not as many shells now. Everyone's fishing, but no one's having any luck. Alright, this is North Captiva right here. Let's see what this guy. Hey, Robert, wait. You might, if you don't mind getting your feet a little wet. I'm gonna see what this guy's doing. We found another fishing area on the South Seas. And there, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know what's being able to see because this water's kind of dark. But there's a whole bunch of little jellyfish. All kinds of little jellyfish right here. And minnows. So definitely not a swimming area. Lots of little jellyfish. And there was a pelican doing a great job fishing, but he was gone. You hear that pounding, that's the water hitting up against this concrete. Let me see if I see another jellyfish. There are tons of little, they're about the size of like that. Very small. And bright silver minnows. Pretty cool. So the water calmed down a little from this morning. Not as choppy as this morning, that's a good sign. Don't you think, Robert?
Mm-hmm. It's fabulous.
Fabulous. It's like, don't bug me, I'm concentrating on fishing here. That's the golf course, so we are behind the golf course. Oh, there's 3 jellyfish right there. 1, 2, 3. It's beautiful. There's a walkway that people also drive their golf carts on. These are the shells I got this morning. As you can see, I picked up a whole bunch of different oyster shells, some cockle shells, don't know what that is. Little whelk, just some scallops, spirals, the tips. So definitely so far quality over quantity. Plus I'm a little more picky because if you've seen all my shelling videos, I pick up all the shells. So I have plenty of shells at home. So now I am just picking up unique ones, I guess. Just being a little more picky. I really like these. I plan on trying to get more of these because I think these would fill up a jar really nice. I think they're just typical clams. I'm sure there's a specific name for these, but they're very pretty. I'm very happy to find these wormy tips. I don't see those that much, so that's cool. And yeah, still this is a little disturbing. I'm afraid it's a bone. I hope it's just a lip of a shell, but picked it up anyway. So yeah, that's what I found this morning. Alright, we're walking back to our room, and there is an iguana in the bushes. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I did read that Sanibel had a problem with iguanas. He's moving. Now his head is right there. I don't know what you can see. I can see it through the bushes. But there is an iguana right there in the bushes, about 8 inches long, looking at me. Bright green. He blended in with this grass quite well. Huh. So that answers my question, Robert. Yes, there are also iguanas on Captiva, not just Sanibel. I don't believe they're native. I think it's an invasive. Yes, they climb on trees. I think it's an invasive species.
He's on that. I saw him